What's up guys, it's Coach Łukasz, and today we're gonna cover a basic boxing jab, so check it out. So jab is one of the most important punches in boxing because it's gonna allow you to set up your combinations, it's gonna allow you to set up your power punches, it's gonna help you with your defense, with your offense. Jab is not the most powerful punch, but again, it's one of the most important punches. So today we're gonna cover how to throw a basic boxing jab. When we're throwing the jab, obviously we have to be in a proper boxing position, right? So we wanna keep our chin down, protect your chin, elbow close to the body. And what we're gonna do, the elbow and the fist, you're gonna travel halfway, and then you're gonna rotate your fist. You're gonna have a full extension on your arm. Make sure your chin is under the shoulder and come back. So elbow, fist travel halfway, then rotate and come back down, all right? Now, when I'm throwing the jab, I don't wanna drop this arm down because now I'm open for the counters, right? Also, when I'm throwing the jab, I don't wanna keep my chin up because I'm also open for the counter shots. So I wanna keep my chin under the shoulder and also the other arm protects my face, right? So one more time, I'm gonna demonstrate from the angle so you guys can see. Elbow and the fist, I'm gonna travel halfway. Then I'm rotating my fist, arm straight, and come back down, right? And now obviously when I'm punching, I wanna be quick with it, and also I wanna exhale. So, I can try a jab from a standing position, or I can step with the jab. I can step back with the jab. I can move to the side. I can try a jab and lean to the side a little bit. So there are many different ways to throw a jab, but obviously today we're just covering the basics, and maybe in the future we're gonna go more into details and different variations of jabs. But today, again, just very simple. Elbow and the fist, travel halfway, full extension, rotate your fist, keep your chin under the shoulder, and make sure you're not lifting your head up, and also the other arm protects your face. All right guys, so again, we wanna be quick with that punch, we wanna have a good technique, and also we wanna excel when we're punching, and obviously we wanna protect our body, our chin, so we also wanna remember our defense when we're throwing our punches, right? So. You can change different timings of the jab. So for example, you can go like a slow one just to feel the distance or make him react, and then throw a hard one, right? All right guys, so we can throw the jab with stepping in, right? Or I can try a jab from, where I am. I can move back and try a jab. So when someone is attacking me, I want to keep him on the distance and use my jab. So again, jab is a great tool for offense, for defense, to create angles. Sometimes I can just try a light jab just to see how he reacts, and then based on his reactions, I can attack, right? So very versatile and great tool. We all should know how to throw a jab if you want to box well, so that's the jab. All right guys, so that was a basic boxing jab. I hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure to click the like button. If you want to watch more of that similar boxing content, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care.